Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Anbumani. I'm 71 old. I had a passion for drawing. I'm a professor of anatomy, and my profession needs a good amount of drawing to teach the children in the class on the board. Though I have been having this interest of joining a drawing course to improve my skill, somehow it got postponed till this moment, though I tried various things in between. Now I came to know about this particular institution where the artist RamyaSadasivam madam has opened up an online course. I have joined in that few days back to start with the portrait drawing. So the teaching was very simple and very detailed way she explains, and it's very easy and friendly to learn. I have started doing a little bit of an exercise with which I have made few drawings as per her guide with the eyes, and I think if I go following the instructions which she makes very clearly, the statement is very easy and understandable, and I think this will allow us to improve our skill, and the drawings are going to make us feel happy. I appreciate her. My congratulations for her to continue with so many other courses. God bless her. Thank you.
Hello, this is Gayatri Sabapati. I'm going to review Ramya Sadasivam's online portrait drawing course for beginners. I got this course for my 11-year-old daughter. She was 11 years, 2 years ago. And she's been learning at her own pace, but the most important thing about this course is literally the ease of how they can learn all by themselves without the actually artist or someone to train them, because everything they need is in the course itself. It's completely built in, and they also have a PDS reference sheet where they can use it for as a guide for in case of any doubts. And they like my daughter liked the portrait course with the details where the artist shared how to draw eyes precisely with it really requires a lot of training to draw eyes in portrait drawing. So that I think she really mastered that when she used this course, and she extremely fast rate. Whatever she learned was really in extremely fast rate, and she was able to draw a good portrait picture of herself and others. So I would highly recommend this course if anybody is trying to learn portrait drawing. It's a really good for beginners, especially children, and very economical, and you don't need much of a guidance from the tutor because everything is built in that course itself, and it's online and you can access it anytime. So it's very easy, very practical, and I think I really love the way they have designed it, where kids can just teach themselves. So yeah, please do contact Ramya Sadasivam if you're interested about this course, and good luck. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sujita. I found Ramya's portrait drawing course through social media and I took up the course recently. I have to say, I had an absolutely amazing experience throughout the whole course. As someone with no creative background whatsoever, I was a little skeptical before I started the course. Contrary to my expectations, the course was very easy to understand and follow along. I went from not being able to draw at all to being able to draw pretty decent portraits in the span of a week. I was very nervous about the technical details, but they were explained in a very easy to absorb manner. and the lessons were laid out in such a way that every step flowed naturally into the next one. And it didn't feel complicated for a beginner like I expected. It was great to draw alongside Ramya while following her instructions and videos. Throughout the duration of the course, I was able to visually see the progress I was making, which was very exciting and very encouraging for me. Her experience and expertise as a professional shows in how she is able to effectively teach someone like me with no previous knowledge in the field. The course platform was also very intuitive and easy to use. I would definitely recommend her course to everybody who wishes to learn, whether they are a complete beginner like me or have more experience with portrait drawing.
Hi, this is Kalyananthi Sachidanandam. So today I am here to share my experience about something very, very interesting that I found and that I discovered during COVID when we were all stuck inside the four walls. I found it very interesting and very lively also. So the moment I saw Ramya's online portrait drawing class, the next thing I did is I just chose this course for my children because they were also stuck inside the home and they were totally going using the phone and mobile, and I thought like I will utilize their energy in the online in a wise way. So for me, Ramya's course was the best choice. The course is very simple. She will be teaching you the portrait drawing, and it is totally a shading type of drawing. She's doing monochromatic drawings, and it consists of 36 chapters, which is for about 3 hours. And the most important thing is, once you have paid the fees, like she will be sending you the details through the email, and you can access and learn the course without anyone's help whenever you would like to learn. So once you have paid the fees, it is applicable for lifetime, and this course is very much very much for the adults and anyone above 15 years also, and who would really love to learn drawing and who would really love to do portrait drawing, who would really love to capture the beauty of some maybe like you would like to draw your face or someone's someone who is very closer to you. This course will be really helpful for you, and once you have learned Ramya's course, you can start doing the portrait drawing by yourself without using the grid. So thank you, Ramya. The course was very interesting, and my sons found it very easy to learn, and they also were learning it even today. So I would really love to encourage others to buy this course too. Thank you so much, Ramya.